We've known for decades that plastic is toxic. We've known for at least 15 to 20 years that microwaving plastic causes cancer. Isn't it kind of odd that all your microwave dinners come in plastic trays with a plastic film over the top? That's why I don't eat that crap. And another reason why you shouldn't either. Cooking a homemade healthy meal is really not that hard. And I believe this is contributing to why all the children have cancer now. There wasn't childhood cancer rampant in the 60s and 70s, or even the 80s or 90s. It's just been the last 25, 30 years. Stay away from microwave dinners.